The boatyard just backed into a concrete, whatever you want to call it. Did he hit that with the running gear? All right, take it back forward, or let it stay there for just a second. I'm Tony White, a licensed yacht broker in sunny Florida. This is my Harley. I use it to search for new clientele and yachts from coast to coast. This is my grocery getter. This is my first liveaboard. Join me on my journey from yacht broker to yachtsman. Agua love, agua lux, agua life. Hello. Gosh.
This is definitely the more enjoyable.
So today we will be doing a sea trial on the Carver 41. A sea trial is an opportunity for the potential buyer to run the vessel before finalizing the deal. This is where you get an opportunity to find small issues or big issues with the running system, the running gear, or pretty much anything. We are coming about now. We're headed back to the marina. Sea trials generally don't last that long. Just enough time to get the RPMs up and to get out to open water. Performance is an absolute concern that must be addressed. So that's about enough time to get out there and get everything running, get everything pumping, and find any issues that may potentially pop up. So the sea trial is pretty much over. A lot to discuss, a lot to look at, get done. But first things first, we got to get these dock lines in and get everything. Or actually, we're doing a haul out. I completely forgot. So we'll be taking the boat over and getting it hauled out so the bottom can be inspected, and we'll go from there. I always find it interesting what's going on in these fresh waterways. I'm always surprised by how many yacht class vessels I find in freshwater lakes and rivers. It's kind of funny to come to a place that's in the middle of the state and find 50 and 60-foot boats. exactly what it sounds like. The vessel will be pulled out of the water by a giant sling on wheels, and it will be elevated in the air while the bottom of the vessel is checked, the running gear will be checked, and the topside will be checked. So this sea trial is turning up all kinds of stuff. Nothing real serious, just stuff that's kind of alarming to the potential buyer. You kind of have to just wait till they calm down so that you can explain to them what they're looking at, because there's just entirely too many people there. You got the mechanic, you got the captain, you got the buyer, you got the buyer's son, you got people standing around speculating. I don't waste my time arguing. I'm a professional. This is what I do. I know my stuff, and if there's anything that I don't know, I find someone that I know for a fact is trained to know. So just takes a little bit of time, a little bit of patience. We'll get there. Did he hit that with the running gear? All right, take it back forward, or let it stay there for just a second. Let me see if they need me. This is craziness. So basically, what just happened is the boatyard just backed into a concrete, whatever you want to call it. Bent the shaft. I bent the prop. Possibly bent the shaft. I don't know. We won't know until we get somebody to look at it. It was hard. The piece of concrete was fixed to the ground, and they broke the concrete around it. They hit it hard. But this is a first for me. I already called the client, and he's a little nervous. He's a little upset, but we're gonna work through it. So this is us working through it. Okay, so made it back to Gainesville. Today was a very long day. Very, very long day. Just got off the phone with the buyer. Still excited about buying the boat. He's had some time to calm down a little bit and, think clearly about, what his objective is. And we're still at the table. So that's good. Today was a crazy day. So I'm very excited about the 2021 boating and yachting season. New clients, new boats, and new adventures for me to share with you. One of which being me relocating to the West Coast. But that's a story for another day. So Aqua Love, Aqua Lux, Aqua Life.